Welcome back to my channel, guys. Naturally me, Dion, here with a makeup tutorial. And this makeup tutorial, girl, is really freaking easy. Right now, I'm doing my brows, and I'm doing my brows the easy way. This is more of the updated version where it don't take me about 30-40 minutes to do my brows. I can go ahead and do this thing and get done, girl. Not doing a dramatic brow, So this here is gonna be like quick, easy, to the point. One thing that I love about this video, girl, you can watch this video and you can really grasp how to do a cut crease easy, real easy. You don't even need to put a concealer on. You can just use the eyeshadow that I was using, which is the Milani. And it's one of my favorite eyeshadows that I always get from Walmart. It's a Walmart brand. And I really like Milani. I grew to like Milani like last year in the beginning of COVID. I began to really learn more about Milani products because I was at Walmart and that was the only thing that was open. So Milani products really just like boom. I found out that it's like so good, pigmented, and you know how much I adore glitters. Girl, this video is the thing. If you like glitters, you need to keep watching. So right now you see me carving out the brow using my Tarte Shape Tape Tan Sand. I really do like to use that color, girl. I really do like it. And I'm also using the dip brow from the name is Cup Brow by Benefits, and it's the number 6, and it's like a dark blackish brown. I really like this color. Like, I really like for my brows to be real dramatic and kind of laid it in place, because I've always had real thick dark brows. So this is just ideal for me to use this. I love it, right? So I'm just shaping up my brows, doing what, us girls normally do, girl. When it's time to get cute, get beautified, you need to doll it up. You need to make sure those brows are intact. So you need to take that brush after you've done molding and sculpting the brow. You need to make sure you go back and tap it a little bit, make it a little soft. You go back into a little bit of product because I love a sharp edge, girl, and go on with the rest of the makeup, girl. Go on with the rest of the makeup. Yeah. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm just making sure the product is really in there. I like a smooth look. I love a smooth look. So right here, guys, I'm going into the Lancome. It is called Prime It and Boost It, okay? And this is just the eyeshadow base. It helps to keep the eyeshadow in place, Now, like I said, I'm not using like any special eyeshadow. I'm using like Morphe. I'm using NYX NYX. All right, I'm using Milani, and these palettes are bomb, but I just wanted something simple, something that everybody can kind of, go and do. You know what I'm saying? Because, girl, I know y'all be watching these makeup tutorials, and sometimes it just seems like it just forever to get through. I just want to make sure you guys understand how to do it. I mean, because by watching my videos and subscribing to this channel, guys, I'm gonna teach you step by step. All you gotta do is ask me, girl. I will do the video. I would do that because I love helping you, and I don't believe in hiding anything. Okay, I'm a pro at what I do, and that's just what I do. Okay, I don't care about what no other makeup tutorial is. I don't care. All I'm worried about is naturally me, Dion, boo. That's the only thing I'm concerned about. So if you want to learn something, girl, be my guest. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I'm going to know. Okay? Because I can teach you. I can teach you whatever you want to know, So, yeah, that's that. But anyway, now as you guys see me going into my favorite concealer, which you do not have to do this part, but I like to do this part because it helps me stay in the lines with my glitter, because I can get really sloppy. I don't like getting sloppy. So, yeah, I like to do this part. So I am using the Morphe concealer. If you guys want to know that concealer, go ahead into the other videos that I've done, and I've talked about this concealer over and over again. So yeah, I'm just cutting my crease with this because I like it. I can see the lines real good, and it makes the colors like pop, pop, pop. So next, guys, I'm going to the next palette. It's called Swear By It. I done had this palette for a long time, and I'm going into like this pretty orange, girl. Cause this palette here, girl, this palette here, you can get this palette from Ulta. This a drug store brand, girl. Let me tell you, colors are bomb palettes. This palette is off the chain. I'm telling you, girl. This palette is off the chain, okay? And I'm telling you, I'm going to be bringing more looks with this palette because I really like it. When you buy more of these affordable palettes, they work really good. I'm tired of spending my money on everybody and I ain't getting nothing for it. No. Let's talk about these NYX. Let's get in these drugstore brands, girl. Some that everybody can really go to. Teenagers. Because let me tell you, everybody ain't trying to be going up there trying to spend all their money on all this stuff that these folk just be just getting no. Time's out for that, boo. Time's out for all that, boo. Okay? So I need to get into something that's easy so I can help y'all. You know, help y'all out. I don't want to do no hard looks no more. I want to do looks that you guys want to see. You know what I'm saying? I want to do looks that I know for sure you can do at home, girl. And you know, a lot of these girls don't even look good. You can't do them at home. You tried, but you failed. So this is the thing. I just realized that maybe on this channel I should use a few colors, like 2, and then come out with like something 5, you know, just to, you know, give y'all a glam and walk out, you know, because I know it's really freaking hard catching on to everything these girls be doing. Even for me, I be like, golly, girl, how many colors you had to put on? Cause shoot, I thought you put this color on, but you end up doing something else. Girl, let me tell you something. I ain't got time for all that. Look, I can put 10 colors on if you want me to, but we ain't gonna do this because we want this to be how you do it, okay? We want you to be able to catch on to how you do this, cause I want to see y'all out and about, girl, and I want to see y'all rocking a naturally media glitter glow, baby girl. Cause let me tell you something. That glitter, y'all already know. I'm girl, glitter, oh my goodness. I am glitter lover. So milani, why not? Okay, so yeah, milani, gonna send you girl a few products because I really do support this brand. Because I really do like milani. I mean, I got everybody wearing it, but it just milani, it just has the best freaking glitter. And I thought it was hard candy, but milani is in, girl. Milani is there. So yeah, don't sleep on her. guys are wondering, the foundation that I did use was the Chanel, and I am the color BR132. All right, if you guys are interested, and I'm gonna add that in here so you guys to know that one as well. Now, this is actually my favorite foundation. I really love Chanel foundation. I also like Becca foundation. I like a lot of foundations. So the concealer that I jumped into, you already know, girl, Tarte Shape Tape. So I am going into the Milani. Actually, I don't even know if this like a blush or like a highlight. It's kind of like a highlight, but it's pink, so I kind of used it like a blush. So I really didn't have to put no blush on, girl, because it was shining. I already, and it was looking all good and sweet, honey. So whatever it was, girl, I am so happy about this pink highlighter from Milani, girl. It's gonna be one of my favorite. I got a blue one. I got another one that's kind of like a pearl. I mean, I just love these freaking glitters that she got going on here, babe. I'm all for it, girl. This stuff here, just this is my kind of highlight, girl. Now, if I can just get this one like in like a nice like a goldish wet, girl. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna think I'm in the game. Okay, look at this, girl. You see, like she is already ready. Simple, easy, baby, straight to the point. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now in this video, it's very easy to do this look because I was using Walmart brands for as my eyeshadow and this blush, girl. Hey, baby, on these cheeks, girl, you can go a little cheap sometimes because that's how you can glitter. Okay, you can glitter if you go a little cheap every now and then. The Milani, okay, and this is like the highlighter for the face, and you can also use this as an eyeshadow as well. I really like it, and it's so bomb.com. Like, I just like Walmart brands sometimes, you know, because drugstore brands really does work. Like, it really does like show. It don't take a lot. I'm trying to keep the lipstick from getting on my teeth, girl, overbite, and you got some on it, baby. No, Walmart brands really does me justice. Okay, I'm always buying Milani, and I like Milani. I think you should send me some products, Milani, because like I have a ton of you. All right, so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe, share. All right, and do not be a stranger. Come back to see me. And I'm bringing you more makeup tutorials. Alright? Bye.